Maryland lawmakers look for better outcomes in child custody cases involving abuse, and legislation may be needed to protect child victims of domestic violence under the care of an abusive parent. WJZ is right now. Pat Warren has more on the process that's underway. Pat.
That's right. The Child Custody and Abuse Work Group jumped in with both feet today. Caught in a cycle of family abuse, this role-play video shows how arguments can escalate to violence. Often children, too, are the victims.
My name is Faith, and I've come here today to testify as the voice of the child.
It is the job of this workshop to evaluate the state's family court system of child custody cases involving abuse. The group is led by Maryland's Secretary of State.
This is not something where we're trying to blame anybody or put someone in an awkward position. What we want to do is help everybody.
Faith shared her experiences in another state.
I was married for 14 and a half years to a man who was very abusive, physically and emotionally, to myself and our 3 children. And in order to preserve our lives, I had to leave our home state. I did go through the court system there.
Faith was in court for 4 years, 66 hearings, including criminal assault charges.
When I say physical abuse, I mean that there was abuse involving knives, AR-15s, 9mm Berettas, brooms, fists, and these acts of violence were perpetrated against myself and against our 3 children.
And there are cases in Maryland where courts have given custody of children to parents who abused them.
Again, what we're finding is that the real experts in this field are not always there on behalf of the child.
Maryland may be on its way to changing that. And the committee will file its first report in December. I'm Pat Warren reporting live for WJZ.